Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Vaz Prep from Kingston up against Portsmouth Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Portsmouth Primary won. They decided to have Vaz Prep play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Vaz Prep, your time begins after I complete the first question. We begin with Bible knowledge. Complete the Beatitude. Blessed are the poor in spirit.
For theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
That's right. Portsmouth Bible knowledge. Complete the Beatitude. Blessed are those who mourn.
For they shall inherit the earth.
That's incorrect. It's for they shall be comforted. Vaz science. The 4 main parts of a plant are the root, stem, leaf, and which other part?
The flower.
That's correct. Portsmouth science. What do some plants use water, air, and sunlight to make?
Food.
Or sugar or glucose. That's correct. Vaz local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
James Brown.
That's incorrect. He's Paul Thompson, Mayor of Port Antonio. Portsmouth local affairs, visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michael Yu.
That's incorrect. He's the Mayor of Lucy Sheridan Samuels. Vaz English language. Correct the error in this sentence. My brother is elder than I.
Elder should be older.
That's correct. Portsmouth English language. Correct the error in this sentence. I used the alternate route when the main road was blocked.
Alternate should be taken out. Alternate should be taken out.
That's incorrect. It's alternate should be alternative. Vaz television. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Gabriel Union.
That's incorrect. She's Jada Pinkett Smith. Portsmouth television, visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Oprah Winfrey.
Say again.
Oprah Winfrey.
One more time.
Oprah Winfrey.
Judges? All right, accepted. Oprah Winfrey. Vaz, its general knowledge for you. Islamabad is the capital of which country?
Iran.
That's incorrect. It's Pakistan. Portsmouth, general knowledge. Sofia is the capital of which country?
Bulgaria. Bulgaria.
That's correct. Vaz, social studies, which country borders Guyana to the west?
Venezuela.
That's correct. Portsmouth, social studies, which country borders Guyana to the south?
Suriname.
That's incorrect. It's Brazil. Vaz music. Which American gospel artist released the song I'm Gonna Be Ready?
Papa San.
That's incorrect. It's Yolanda Adams. Portsmouth music. Which American gospel artist released the song I Need You to Survive?
Danny McKirkland.
That's incorrect. It's Hezekiah Walker. Hezekiah Walker. Mathematics for Vaz. A square rug has an area of 9 square meters. What's the perimeter of the rug?
$36 meters.
That's incorrect. It's 12 meters. Portsmouth mathematics. A woman wants to buy a new stereo for $2,412. She wants to make 6 equal payments. How much will she pay each time?
$402.
That is correct. And that bell signifies the end of section 1 with both VAS Prep and Portsmouth Primary on 4 points. Now, yes, that's correct. 4 points for both. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, if you are part of a group for a school project, do your part as best as you can. Your best effort will help the group to achieve their objectives. Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.